Hello everyone and welcome to the CIS video project. My name is D'Angelo Ellis and I will be teaching you the hlookup function in the CIS video project. I want you guys to go ahead and put your name and Panther ID in the appropriate cells. As you can see, I've already done. Cell C4 you have your name, and then cell C6 you can put your Panther ID. After that is completed, you can go ahead and click your hlookup project because is what we'll be working with today. And after you click it, you should get a tab down here that says hlookup. So first off, our hlookup has three main functions: the lookup value, table array, and row index number. The first and most important thing we are going to find in our lookup value is our lookup value. And in this case, it is going to be our zip codes. Our zip codes will help us find out our city, county, count, and alt city. We are going to start by putting in our zip code into cell C3, and that is going to be 30307. That is the zip code that we'll be using today. Next up, we'll be using the hlookup function to determine our primary city for the zip code placed in cell C3. So we're going to find our primary city of the zip code of 30307. We're going to do that by using our hlookup function. To use the hlookup function, we're always going to start off by putting an equal sign. Next, you can go ahead and type hlookup. You can double click that to shortcut. And we're going to find our lookup value first. Our lookup value is going to be our zip code. So our zip code is placed in cell B3. So we're going to go ahead and type B3. After that, you can put a comma. We'll be looking for our table array next. So our table array is going to be our full range of data down here in the table. So we can either do this by typing in C10 double D21, or we can go ahead and select. This time we're going to go ahead and select just to show you. So you want to go ahead and select all this data. And once you go ahead and select it, you can go back over to your formula. You can go in the formula bar and you can type comma. And next we'll be looking for our row index number. So to find the row index number, you want to first find out what are you supposed to be looking for. In this case, we're going to be looking for our city. So to find the row index number, we need to count how many rows down are what we're supposed to be looking for is. So 1, 2, 3, primary city, which is in the third row down. So we're going to go ahead and type 3 for our row index number. After that, you can put a comma, and our range lookup is always going to be false for this class. After that, you can go ahead and close your paren to end this function and press enter, and your answer should give you Atlanta. Next, we'll be looking for our county. To find this, we'll be using the hlookup function again. Who can remember how to start our hlookup function? I'll give you guys a second. That's right, you're going to go ahead and start by using your equal sign, hlookup. You can double click that. Our lookup value again is our zip code, which is in cell B3. Our table array is going to be this full range of data. Since we already selected it last time, we're going to type it in this time. So that's C10 colon through double D21, comma. Our row index number, again, we're going to count how many rows down what we're supposed to be looking for. In this case, it's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rows down is our county, so our row index number is 6, comma. Again, our Range lookup is going to be what for this class? That's right, false. You can go ahead and close your paren, press enter, and that should give you DeKalb County. Next, we'll be using the lookup function to find our alt city. And we can do this by typing in the lookup function. So again, we're always going to start off with =, lookup. Our lookup value is going to be B3 because that has the zip codes. We're going to put a comma next. And then for this one, we're just going to use the row zip. So C10 colon double D 10 because we just want to use our zip. And then we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to use row 14 for our alternate city. So we can go ahead and type C14 colon double D 14. And after that, you can go ahead and close your paren, press enter, and it should give you 0. Last but not least, I will teach you how to use the COUNTIF function to determine the number of times the city College Park appears. So to do this, we're going to start off by using, again, our =, COUNTIF. Our range is going to be the full range of data, so that's C10 colon double D21 comma. Our criteria is going to be College Park, so you can go ahead and put that in quotations. Press enter, and that should give you 2. And that's all for today. Hope you guys have learned a value. Hello, my name is D'Angelo Ellis. I'm a junior majoring in information systems.